name's Matt Burcher. I'm 37 years old. I'm now the after sales manager here at Maserati Melbourne. I've been in the auto trade since I left school in 1993. Started as a first year apprentice for Holden. Basically have had my hand in every role in the service department since then. I've been with Zagamis now for a little over 3 years. First of all, running their Audi Mornington service centre down on the Mornington Peninsula where I live, and now starting up here about a fortnight ago, taking over Maserati Melbourne. This is something else. This is, I make jokes with people, I say this is the Google of car yards. This is something you have to see to believe. So at the moment we are setting everything up. We've got 5 work bays down in the workshop. We've got 4 Corgi submerged scissor lifts, 1 2-post hoist, which is above ground. Most of our hoisting now is submerged simply for the height of the vehicles, and especially when we start doing the MC Stradales and things like that, they are of quite low ground clearance, so they go straight in nice and easily and come straight up out of the ground. This area here that we're standing in now is our basic, our tyre fitting and wheel alignment area. It is specifically designed and purposely kitted out for that purpose. Tyre balancing, tyre replacement, and full 4-wheel laser aligned wheel alignment system for all the cars that we will service through the workshop. The product that we're dealing with is of the highest level. We need equipment that can do work at that level and reliably, okay? Corgi have been able to supply us with that, and as you can see from what's behind me, there's no question as to the ability of what they've got to be able to supply it. Everything here is state of the art and ready to go for our customers when they need it. We do have the capacity to have 5 technicians in the workshop. Now, whether or not later on that will include apprentices as well, or just 5 fully qualified technicians, we'll cross that bridge when we come to it. But ideally, I'd also like to put on a 6th person who will primarily just do wheel alignments, tyres and that sort of work for us as well. Planning and the build of the workshop was in excess of about 9 months. It was basically a complete redevelopment of the entire site. It was utilising one of the old Zagami sites, which was out in Melbourne, but it was a complete refurbishment and redesign of everything. Pretty much with the Maserati, everything is personalised. Everything is to your specification for your Maserati. One of the areas that you'll see when you go upstairs is our personalisation area, with all the leathers and all the colours and all the boards and the trims, and you can sit there on the computer and I mean you can literally dial these cars down to the colour of the stitching they use in your seats. So depending on how much time you've got and how much money you've got, your Maserati truly is your Maserati. And Maserati have a very strong corporate image, and that is on a global scale, okay? They always strive for the best in everything. Nothing is second best, nothing is left to chance. Always the best, always done right the first time. They are what they pride themselves on and what Bobby prides himself on with this site. Surrounds himself with the best team, the best technicians, with the best products, and now with the best equipment. The rest will ride itself.